Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a Ford Escape. This is a 2011, but most of these models are very similar, so it's really simple. All you need to do is lift up on the back wiper blade just a little bit and then kind of tilt this blade out a little bit like that and grab it from the top and just push with your thumbs right on the top of the blade, and that'll snap right off. It clicks in, it'll snap off. Then take your new blade, it'll have a little hook right there that you just simply click in where that snapped off, and that's it. Of course, you'll want to remove the protective plastic, but that is it. It's really very simple. That is how to change the rear wiper blade on a Ford Escape SUV.